sell it to.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's Tuesday and I'm going to see my friend with my other classmates. My other classmate is sick and we've not seen her in a while, so we decided to go and see her today. I'm using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've never used it before. This is my first time. I've moisturized my face, by the way. I don't think it has a lot of moisture, but I did my best.
A dinner party. Honey, I may be working late. The Dillman proposal's a complete mess.
No, you promised to be home every night this week.
I'll try, but I can't guarantee anything. This is business.
It says the prince as he rides off into the sunset.
So these tennis lessons we're taking, how are we doing?
My backhand's...
Pick up the stupid can.
No, I can pick it up. Honey, stay out of this.
As you should, babes. Like, why can't she?
Fine. This is so typical.
Oh, sorry. Was that petulant too?
You know what? Pick up the damn can.
Mrs. Warmington said she worked for Mom.
Well, let's see what you've learned.
So I just finished my makeup and I did my hair. I should be on my way out soon because it's 11:55. I'm supposed to meet my friends at 2 and I'm supposed to get flowers for my friend because we're going to see our friend, and I want to do some window shopping, and also see the city a bit before going to see my friend. So I think I'm ready. I haven't worn shoes yet. I need to know how many degrees. It's 22, so I can wear my ballet flats. I don't want to wear sneakers because that's all I wear actually. But I'm really liking my makeup. It looks very nice. It looks very me. It looks very it's very me. Anyways, yeah, I just think I need to wear my shoes. This whole table, it's not giving what it should give, but it doesn't matter. First, and I also have to decide what bag I want to wear. I want to wear like a shoulder that will go with my shoes. Or I should wear, I think I'll just wear my Zara bag. Yeah, these sunglasses. They don't block any sun actually, but yeah, these ones. The weather is so good today. So good. I love it. guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today is Wednesday and it's currently pouring outside. I'm watching Desperate Housewives. I just started watching it and it's, how come I never watch it? I always knew it, but I just didn't care for it. I was like, whatever. But now I'm hooked. I'm so hooked. The storyline, the suspense, the plot, everything is given. Yeah, I have a yoga class today. I don't know if you yoga or Pilates. I don't know, maybe it's both, but I didn't. Anyways, I will know when I get there. It's supposed to be a trial class today at 7. It's currently 5, I think. Yeah, so I just wanted to briefly talk about hair. I mean, since my hair is looking like this, I wanted to talk about hair. Hair is something that I've struggled with so much since I came to France. I wasn't so aware of my natural hair until I came here. I mean, when I was in Nigeria, it was easier. I just had to go to the salon and they would wash it, treat it, do my cornrows. I never had to care for it myself. But after I moved here, it became something that actually made me cry. Like when I have wash days and I do my cornrows myself, like I can finish and just cry myself to sleep because of my hair. Okay, let's talk about managing your hair when nobody's helping you. Like you're doing it by yourself. First of all, you have to think about affordability. For cornrows, they're charging like 50 euros. I mean, that's outrageous because my cornrows get rough max a week. So does that mean I'll be doing it every week, or I have to carry the 1 hour cornrows for a month or 2 weeks? Because it just makes no sense for me. It's not practical for me to pay 50 euros for cornrows if it will not last long. My hair is not the type that, oh, even if I keep it, it stays long, blah blah blah. It's not. Next thing is, apart from affordability, next thing is my hair, my type of hair. My hair is very thick. Whenever I say my hair is thick, people don't believe till they touch my roots. Like my hair, before I used to have like very thick ends. Now I have fine ends because of course I've manipulated my hair any way I can. I just do whatever to just make it work because I blow dry it. I do this. If you're not trying blow drying it every time is not actually good for your hair, but if you have no choice, go do it. If you touch my roots, it's very thick, and if you genuinely do not like me, you're going to treat my hair anyhow. And I don't like when someone is making my hair and they start complaining about how thick my hair is. I will lose it. So I took it upon myself to take care of my hair myself, whatever way I can. Although that leads to me being really sad, and that leads me to just neglecting my hair. If you can see, my edges are on strike, on serious strike because of my wigs. Like if you don't know me, I don't think you ever know what my natural hair looks like. I just always wear wigs. I just do my cornrows, whatever, and wear whatever wig I want to wear because it's just easy. It's a big slay. When I wear my wig, it's a big slay, so I would rather do that. But at the same time, I love my hair. As much as my hair makes me sad, I love it. I love my hair so much. Like when I wear my hair out, I feel a certain kind of way. It's like I'm about to take over the world. Hi loves, good morning. It's not morning anymore, it's 12. It's past 12 right now. I'm going grocery shopping, but before then, let me give you guys a quick update on the Pilates class I went for yesterday. Side note, you can do Pilates without machines, and it's actually like you're going to war, like you're preparing for the apocalypse. The apocalypse, something like that. It's like aliens are going to invade Earth, right? It's so intense. I don't know, that was a trial class, mind you, so I think I need time to think about it if I want to put myself through that, because it's good for my body, I know, but it's very stressful.
travail, ne vous inquiétez pas. Plein de réussite, de vous continuer avec vos projets, etc. Je vous remercie beaucoup pour votre travail tout le semestre.
Merci.
Bon, est-ce que vous avez des questions, des doutes, quelque chose à me demander? Quelque chose avant? Est-ce que ça va? Ça va pour vous? Bon. Merci beaucoup à vous. Peut-être.
Hellos, welcome back. I haven't vlogged in a minute, you know, but we're gonna wrap up this vlog here. I just quickly want to show you guys my new baby that my friend gifted me. It's my Polaroid camera. I think I unboxed it, but the unboxing was chaotic, so I'm not posting that. But she's the Instax Mini 12. It's so cute. It's so cute. I've used it twice and I love it so much. I want to quickly read the notes that was attached to the gift. It says, "I'm so grateful for you. A very late birthday gift, but delay is not Delilah." Now this babe kills me. Delay is not Delilah, no Samson. Oh my love, Ajachuku. She's so cute. She's so cute. If you know Ajachuku, she is my friend. She appeared in my Rant vlog. She lives in Grwm. Thank you so much. This is so thoughtful. God bless you. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this vlog. I'll see you in my next one.